Welcome to your daily practice of manifesting your dream life. This is your time to relax, focus, and align with the reality you desire. Manifestation is not a one-time event. It's a journey. The more you immerse yourself in the vision of the life you want, the more real it becomes. I encourage you to return to this video every day. Once you truly believe this dream reality is already yours, you will begin to see the changes in your life. Let's begin by settling into a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels best for you. Take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. With each breath, feel your body relax and your mind quiet. Again, inhale deeply and exhale, releasing any tension or doubt. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more open to the life you're creating. Picture a soft, warm light surrounding you. This light is the energy of creation, wrapping you in comfort and power. As it moves through you, feel yourself aligning with the life you're about to step into. Now, imagine a door in front of you. This door leads to your dream life, the reality you are creating. When you're ready, step through. On the other side, your dream life is unfolding. Pause here and allow the scene to come alive. What do you see? The home you've always dreamed of, a fulfilling career, loving relationships. Notice every detail. Use your senses to fully experience this life. What sounds fill the air? Is it laughter, music, or the peaceful hum of nature? What do you feel? Reach out and touch something in this world. A soft fabric, the bark of a tree, or the warmth of the sun on your skin. Take a deep breath. What scents surround you? The aroma of fresh flowers, your favorite meal, or the crisp air of a perfect day? Taste something, if you wish. A bite of your favorite dish, or a sip of something refreshing. Finally, look around. Notice every color, every texture, every detail. This is your dream life, and it's already yours. Now, let's anchor this experience. Repeat silently or aloud. I am so grateful for this life. It is mine. I am living it now. Feel the truth of these words. The more you believe in this vision, the more it becomes your reality. As we bring this practice to a close, remember that manifestation is a skill built over time. Repetition creates belief, and belief brings your dreams into reality. Return to this video every day. Each time you do, you're strengthening the connection to your dream life and stepping closer to it. Take one last deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Wiggle your fingers and toes. And when you're ready, open your eyes. You have taken another powerful step toward the life you desire. Thank you for joining me today. If this meditation resonated with you, like, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use a little magic in their life. Remember, the life you want is already yours. Keep coming back to this practice every day and watch it unfold. Until next time, keep believing